Hello everyone. So this is my MV kit. Just arrived at my house. So let's just unbox it. I already opened it because I feel a little bit tired to open it right on the video. So okay, let's go. Here is the most interesting thing arriving over here. The Windows Insider MVP box. It looks a little bit super cool. I can't deny it. And just let us open that. So here we go. So this is the certificate of Windows Insider MVP written with my name and the year, and written a lot of stuff like in recognition and value of your expertise, exceptional contribution and commitment to technical communities across the globe. We are pleased to grant you the designation of Windows Insider MVP. Thank you so much, Microsoft. And the next thing that arrives is a thank you card, written out thank you note over here. So I'm not going to read those stuff because they are too long. And an MVP badge and a label pin, which I can usually add it to my code or something like that. It looks super classy. And the next thing and the most ethereal thing over here is this box. So I usually the structure is very cool and I really like the build quality of this box and I'm really obsessed with it. And here is this is the award, and I would like to thank Microsoft for this amazing award. Thank you so much for making me this much capable that I can receive this particular award for this year. And I hope that I keep on contributing to Windows and the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador community a lot more. Thank you so much. Ta-da!